Hello, good morning to you all. Today I'll show you
How you can use the feature of emoji
feature.
slider in the
For
Instagram.
that, first you need to click on your story. So if you want to post a story, click on your post a story and record a video. For example, I'll record a video here. See here, I'm recording a video. Just once you finish your story, just scroll up with your finger. Just scroll up from the mobile screen. I'll again show you. Just scroll up, so you'll see. And this is a very interesting feature, and many of the queries are regarding this. Ask a question and how to use the emoji slider. See here where the people have the option like emoji slider. So if you scroll to the maximum, you can scroll to minimum. See here, you can change the emoji here. Okay, see here we can change the emojis and we can use the slider. So you can ask a question something like that: how is my dress today? How is my dress today? So this is the question you're asking to your followers. So in this way you can use the feature like ask a question in the Instagram. I hope you like this. Nice day.